Alright. I'm like 15 minutes earlier today. It's progress. I have my earbuds in, so it's a little awkward for me to talk now on my headphones. Maybe I would just delegate to one. Maybe not. I'll get used to it. Well, I'll get over it. Got that. I was also taking a thumbnail for the stream. I remembered from. I was also setting up some trying to find copyright-free Toho program. One would say I'm very much inspired by Woolen. Hey, works. Alright, so trying to remember why was I struggling here? Something valid. Mild inconvenience. Malform parameters that I can also. History. I need to look at the verbose one. Alright, let's lock it in, chat. Streaming live chat bit. Like, we go to the live streaming guy. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bit too tight, but that's okay. We don't want tutorials, we just want the reference, right? Is it for live chat messages? Is that what we're sending? I assume so, right? If over. Yeah, what live chat message. Let's get the overview. And I'm still doing it. Yo, bum. Alright, what's up, Via? I'm not a bum. I'm just here. Hi. What's up? It's gonna be a lot of reading, I'm gonna be real. So this snippet type. What? Hold. Oh, this is like the response. Managed to get past that. Yes, I did manage to get past that one thing. I was actually completely wrong. I was stupid. Or I still am. How long? It took like 10 minutes after you left, I think. 20 minutes, maybe. Let me go back to my trusty journal. Bang. Alright, so back to the original. Our little she-ball. Hold on. Yeah, I was like, bad luck? Nah, you were good. This was us. With our Giga Giant phone. What was happening was we were sending it to YouTube. Where's my... I forgot. Go toolbar, I guess. Yeah, there we go. You want red for YouTube. Here's YouTube. Fine. Back here. What happened? Like, yo. And YouTube was being really nice about it. He was like, yo. But when we see that message, we were like, bruh. You. We were the ones rejecting YouTube. Because yeah, we were the evil, the villain all along. I just... Your teacher, man. Bruh, type shit. They call me the teacher. That was as actually happening, unfortunately. Here be. Yeah, you got that. Live chat messages. I assume we make a list. Okay, live chat message streamlet. We don't want the demo. We want the request. Yep. Oh, oh, the acceptable values. Oh my god. There's no way. There is no way you... Oh, okay, Google, you are such a bum because look at this garbage. It's 20 right here, and it says the acceptable is 200 to 1,000. Oh, you bum. This isn't so hard though, so we're here for it. So if I put like the minimum hundo, run it back. No boom. No, still boom. Well, still boom. I want to put this actually. Oh look, it's so small now. Yeah, that's cute. That's fine. Page token. Is it even required? Oh, these are optional as well. ID snippet or author details. It's a string. What do we pass here? Why is it a vector? What? Hold? Am I a bum? Don't answer that question. I know the answer. Should relax. I'm sorry? This says string, right? Yeah, this is a string. Then we go to the proto. Oh goodness. Oh, no. Not a part. Why is this? Why is it here like that? And then like. I mean, no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. Oh yeah, my bad, gang. No one's gonna know, chat. No one's gonna know that I did that. No one is going to know. If this works, I'm gonna do nothing, but be really, really upset about it. Well, nothing matters, so let's... yeah. They did know, chat. They knew. Wait, max results is optional. Man. I guess? Because the only things that are required here are these two. Which, this makes very little sense. Oh. Alright, so we got that. Request contains fail to parse the private parameter. Make sure the live chat ID and parameters are format. Uh-huh. Which one were we at? Live chat messages, stream lists, live chat message. Yep. Oh. So if invalid argument, that means... Should I just... Let me try and hard code this. Real quick. I have my doubts, but maybe? Well, it says invalid argument. So, it's an ended live chat. I assume this is not the... Oh, wait. This is the error D. Not getting that. Valid argument. Let's... Argument. So the problem is here. Really makes you think, chat. My brain, it's shrinking. It's why. We are following the thing to a T. We are sending this. I mean, run it back. Yeah, same thingamabob. You know what the problem is, guys? It's me. I'm the problem. What is this? Yeah, I'm the problem. Why is this there? What is this? Oh. Are you correct? Probably. What do we think of the music though? Boom boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. I'm going completely insane. So it has no headers. Is this correct? I want to know what a proper request like that you see. Yeah, okay, take a look at this video. No. Oh, at least you tried. Type shit. Type shit, blow. I know you're joking. I'm committing to the bit. So, am I just... Do I just switch from using gRPC to just like HTTP? Which is less painful, but no, I want... gRPC is cool. So, big brain? Hype shit, bro. Hype shit. You are big brain. This is what, by the way, this is what I do at my job constantly. I'm just reading a page by some big fuck-ass tech company. I'm reading the same page over and over again, trying to make sense of it, because my code doesn't work. Can you censor that? No. I'm not gonna censor the word frick or job. So... Scary? My bad. Jump scare warning. I didn't say it. I got you. So, this says it has extension. What is the extensions? Let me look that up. What? Right. Google got me. Oh, it. But there are no extensions here, right? No, there are none. So why is it sending extensions? Is there... I feel like the invalid argument is this. This is the invalid argument. But also at the same time, it's not like I'm just... RPs. Like... What if I ask? You know what? I'll do it once. I'm actually like trying to get frustrated. I'll use the stupid frickin' thing. I think my XP bar is low. No, I don't know what you mean. What? Oh. I was also tech. Block it, bro. Saikudo said that. Why would you say that? I miss. That's correct. Hmm. Could be. My XP bars though. I what? What? My my HP bar is low. Oh, guys. Guys, my HP bar. It's low. Oh no. Come on, we can do this. Really? Ah, Shabol, man. Another. What? Why is it? Why is it associated with that guy? Doesn't I think August does that more? Whenever I just do something funny with like the August meme, like the Deku voice, I always think of August too. It's like, come on guys, we can win this game. You got automated. What the hell? I'll allow it. I got you, Blow. Alright. The ultimate life form. So, apparently the YouTube documentation lies to me. It's like, hey bro, you can either use an API key or use an OAuth 2.0 access token. Apparently you can't use that. I probably should have verified the source. I need this bump to lock in. I'm such a bum. But why does it... Oh, hydrate. I got... Or, I'm not a bum, but they're bums. Ora. Alright, let's generate a token. Oh, go cloud console. Mr. Charlie said you're a bum. Charlie. phone. Dog? No, my fault. Damn. Potential. Could be. Okay, how do I make... Wait, actually... Okay, this is what I'm reading right now, chat. So let's read this. Obtain from the API console. Need a client ID and a client secret. For desktop. So if I go here, I click this. Okay. Credentials. Hopefully this doesn't leak anything. Alright. It doesn't. Okay, it kinda does, but that's fine. Only half of the ID. Need a new. Great credentials. That. Desktop app. Chatterino at home? May take 5 minutes to 4 hours. So how the fuck do I use it? Authorization. Oh, it's the... Is it the clients? Hold on. Oh, action. Must obtain it. Oh. Okay, this makes more sense. Also, hold the phone. Someone hold the phone for me. Bang. Oh. I mean, I do have one that I can test with temporarily. Alright, chat. I got this. You guys can't see anything. Oh, what? Hopefully this hasn't expired yet. God forbid. Yeah. So what we want to do is auth header. The auth header becomes, and we don't need to send OAuth, and there's token. We sent an authorization, right? I shit. Format, I think. Yeah. Bearer plus, so Era bang. It's right here, blow. What? Oh, it's meta. This is a metadata value. We want it to be a string. I shit. This method takes two arguments. Oh. Got me saying. I am a. What is this? What is this? What is it? Did I add it? Yeah, okay, I'm adding this. Type shit. Ah. Got you. Okay, so instead of this being here. Oh wait, I'm just a bum. I'm still a bum. Does this what does this take? Yeah, it needs metadata value ASCII. Oh. Eh. So we're gonna pause this. Oh wait. Format this. Again. Watch this drive. Era space this. Yes, I got you. Any explosions or no booms? I love that. I love it. It's so goofy. All right. Did I put this correctly? I got racks and lights chat. Oh yeah, nice. So it says invalid credentials. So at least we're getting somewhere. My goat head mod got the big hammer. Oh dang. Bonk, you know, type shit, whatever. Sword, yeah. Sword. They say the pen is mightier than the sword, though. Thoughts on that? So the token is invalid. So my thoughts are so good. Rage baiting? Damn. Rage baiting me is like really easy. I'm stupid. Just kidding. My mind is a friggin' fortress. You can't get to my head. Balls of steel in there. Alright, so I have to take this. Gotta adjust the glasses. Yeah, I agree. Client D. Client ID does not equal client and this. That other thing. Bang. Now we got the. Now I have to create a whole login with Google. Like, whatever the, like, actually insane. Okay, so in order for me, let's go back to our little friend here. In order for me to be able to do, but my phone, computer, actually let's make it a computer. On my little table with a computer on it. Okay, I got this. Got this. This is important. This is important to the plot. Bang, 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 bang. Not that. Oh my god, my head! It's gone. Oh jeez, oh my god. Now it just looks like an L. Hold on, let me make a laptop. I got this. Bang, 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 bang. And we're making a deeper table. Boom, boom, boom. Very important. Let me know if my art skills are yeah. Our little laptop go on this little app here. The little app. It goes yo. Yeah. That has to go YouTube. In order for this to happen, we have to, in the background, like in here, go red, bang bang. I have to go in the background, right? Like, log in, Google. So we can get a little, hold on, I want it to be, I like the thing. Down here, that's too, this is where, you have to go to log in with Google in your browser. Just so we can get like a little password. We take that password, we put it back into our app. After we put the password in our app, we then send but the good thing is, you can easily refresh the token once you have it, like the password or whatever. Okay. It's just an inconvenience. That is all. Sheep all my life. Wait, I can just hold. Euphoria. Upload.rs. I can steal my code. I mean, technically. I can steal this client code. Yeah, the OAuth flow. Can I get an OAuth token? Do I have to do that through HTTP? Let's get OAuth code. Let's see. We do. Target audience. Okay, let's look at this GitHub code. It's not mine, so it's okay. Got this, chat. This is what the code looks like. Request Google Auth transport request. Service account. It imports Google as Google Auth, which I assume this doesn't do gRPC. Alright, fine. I got that. So we have to. Oh. Yeah. What is in here? Store tokens, access token, refresh. What is that? We will need this. We will need that. Wait, redirect. See you. Hold. There's no. Fine. What is the redirect through RI? Where does that set it? Is it in main? No. Arc set auth config. Oh. I'm looking at my old. This, by the way, this is the program that I used to upload video. Used to upload. Schedule them. Not what I'm trying to do, but it does the similar flow here. So I'm just gonna steal this part of the code from here. Don't have to write it from scratch again. Oh, the loop. Oh. Pretty sure I don't specify. Pretty sure there's a default. Wait. Oh. It's that one. If I come here. Oh. I see. Simple enough. I got that. Oh. I swear I peed when I woke up. I'll be right back. I'll go pee bed. I know what I'm doing. Bye. I'm back yet. Baked. Kinda sweet, I think. Yummy. Also have crusty tub of chocolate. Got chocolate. Bucket. A little bit. I'll get that. Not all good. Then I have to wash my hands. W hair. I said bro, not blow there. Like, haha, I got us a. I don't know. It's this like, I don't know what it's called, but it's just like baked. There's nothing stuffed in them, so I just put chocolate on top. Nice. Put chocolate on top. They're hollow. They're ever so slightly sweet. Like bite by night, right? Like it's like that one gift. Please stop playing Roblox. I'm joking. Alright, I know what I need to do. It's gonna be a little. But alas. Dude, I think, is the code like too small? I think I can, I think this is better now. I probably should have been doing. Or does it not matter? I think unk size is better. Definitely worse for me. Anyway, so we're gonna steal authentication flow from this. Be great. And we're going to have our own app. Hopefully that we can pass in our GY. UI. Press. We're gonna use for our thing. A simple graphical interface that we want with. Pretty cool. Oh, that's you. Highlight. Covered. That's so cool. Wow. Fascinating. When there's a professional app. Quick, I died. Yeah. I can make. I don't know if O's called Sonic. I don't think this. Like, alright, this might get the VOD mudded, but I like this. That's something I will keep like oh. All right. Soundtrack for this banger though. It's so good. It did such a wonderful job with it. All right. God, want it. Don't want it. All right, Shed. We will steal some structs first. Have from you to put our rest. We want. Oh. Add that. So let's start with stealing. But soundtrack, man. Maybe I should shuffle it. Shuffling it might be a little bit of a. Yeah. So in model, do we not have a models.rs? We don't even have that many structs. Make a models RS file that will contain our this. Thank you. This is our configuration. It'll have the client ID, secret, and URI, which will default to localhost. That's a-okay. Little sneeze. We do a little sneezing around there, type shit. Up. I don't know how storing these securely will work, but that's a problem for the late. What else would you need? The stored token. Yes, take that. We'll take this part of the. Oh, that's the and we'll take this part of the. Oh, here. Almost. A lot too. Earl. Yeah, we're using request and that's it. Make an auth.rs file for the auth client, I guess. Done. It's a little tiring because this is the boring part where you have to securely authenticate. I mean, I guess this is why Chatterino just gave up entirely upon it. It was just too annoying, and like it would require people log in with their Google accounts, and they have to get like a verified Google app thing. It's too much effort. I guess too much effort is a problem for me. I don't care, but because I'm not trying to make this for people, even though I hope it. All right, back to the code that we're going to steal ourselves. Death. Two. So just to sort of attempt to refresh the token. No, it checks if the token is still valid. Fair enough. Hard. Wait, this is like slow version. I'm zoning out though. Yikes. Alright. It attempts to refresh the token, and then it forms the auth flow, which is right here. So I guess we will this. Stores the token. They're refreshing the token bit. So store the token. Loading of token. I guess this is all the. I don't need to make it part of the struct. Auth. Press. I may be stupid. And we want authenticate all the way down to loading and bang. Won't be our problem now. This with us, Bell. Yeah, this doesn't store in the struct, so it's fine. It's just reads it from a file. Doesn't. Damn, this code kind of sucks. Alright. Yes, there's a lot of code on the screen. The killer's range is insane. Lock in. You're trolling, bro. I think. I mean, we already have request. Need that too. It was like 3 meters away. It got me like closer. That's Roblox. Life is Roblox. And our I assume I want to. All right, back to the drawing. Boom, get our pen out. Oh, it's the pen part. Like, if I want to have like the file structure, what it looks like right now. I mean, I guess I know what it is. SLC. Then we have all our files, like main, whatever, and RPC, the authentication. And that's the thing. Here's the thing from Marvel Rivals. Gonna be the killer next. Oh snap, now you get the BS range. But also I feel like if the killer doesn't have like an absurd amount of range, it'll be incredibly frustrating because there's like more non-killers. Killers? If a somebody gotta die, you know? I feel like because otherwise no one's gonna want to play killer. And it's always like this point of excitement. I feel like it has to be skewed towards the villain, the one minority, I guess. So now this is what we have right now. I feel like this is bad. Yeah, it me type shit. They're gonna have like the mod.rs name file has all the functions, and now we're gonna have like models. But our current structures be like kind of clean. And expose just one function that just does all that. There's like, let me put this on the project. Thing we want to do. I'm forgetting. Oh dear God. Oh dear, oh boy. Probably store them encrypted with like a maybe? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna store them encrypted. And we're gonna also like module, which we're gonna do that today. And if we look here, this is not the stream request file. I think this is done. Oh God. Hey, okay. This can be moved to a later date. Let's just put it to tomorrow. Tomorrow's problem. Not today. Hey, why does it have to go so hard? I don't understand. Like it's tough, man. Yes, tough. Why can't I? Does not have like a good red. Oh well, I'm not too bothered right. Let's lock in. Alright. For auth.rs. I assume we wanted to do different files. So let's make auth.rs. Yes. Move all these fellas, all my fellas, here. Delete this file. We have the models.rs. I don't have range. I mean, oh, FR. Oh, that's so easy. That's nice. Ah. Wait, if I click V, I can see your watch time. Waking. We go so yeah, I guess encrypting this will have to come later. A bit concerning. I'm so locked out, but it's okay. We got this. The next step, we will start implementing our auth mod workflow. .rs. It's no longer like a self thing. Any sort of self. What does this do? It generates an access. Alright, here's the two paths that we can go here. Why can't I page? New page after. Right. Let's get a new page in. Right. So what we're trying to do right now. My old structure, it would have like a struct. It would have a struct. It would have all these values under it. Have like token, big, whatever. It would have all these good stuff. And it would modify, it would constantly pass a reference itself. It would keep changing, like every function within it, it would keep changing. Which I guess is okay. But how often do we just need them the one time? If I have like OAuth, and I just constructed to do it once, and I keep passing it around, I'm trying to convey like all these. I have a bunch of functions. Like like FN refresh, a function that just refreshes the tokens. Instead, I would pass in the object itself, like tokens, and it would just return. That makes sense. Instead of having like, oh, it would modify the token itself, it would just return me the token, and I just use it, because I only need the token to be used once in the stream, and if the program ends, I'm gonna write this token with another function and store it encrypted elsewhere. So we're gonna have like FN encrypt or whatever, right? Store token. It would obviously like to. All of them were fucking fighter. Funning you. Damn. No fun allowed. That's why I'm saying it probably needs to be like, it has to be skewed towards the villains, because again, you want more people to want to play the villain because there's less of them. But you also want to make the survivors also have a fighting chance. Being able to just stun, yeah, I feel like in these kind of games, the killer being able to die should not be a thing at all. Yeah, that's just mean. They just ganked up on you. That's messed up. So, and then like obviously, oh, nothing, and like low-key killed one. Unlucky. So yeah, I want to try to go with a more functional approach. I don't think this is necessarily better. I just think it would be interesting to try it that way. You know, I wanna try different things, and hyper optimizing right now of the crap about. I'm just trying to calculate how many hours of sleep did I get? Like 9, 3, 6 hours of sleep. So I could go for a nap if I sleep. Unk needs to get his nap in. Alright, we have our idea. Let's start implementing. Instead of mutt self, it would return this would return nothing. Oh no, never mind. This would return something, but what would it return? Oh, the file is not included anywhere. I'll do it. Yeah, whatever, dude. Mod auth, baby. Bang. And mod.rs mod model. What does it say? There's a billion. Dang it. Yeah, I'll get to it eventually. Let's remove every reference of stove. Oh. I also need my domain. In a sec. It won't take it. Absolutely. Yeah. basic. Menus. Bird. I can do. Template. Basic. Game div. You have to put these on the project. Fine. Bang. 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 All right, chat. Let's start locking it, sort of. Let me store or like steal the inputs, I guess, if you will. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need all of these. Bang. Oh, wrong. What other import? Probably need these, right? Well, whatever imports we will need, we will go for them. But for now, we will remove all traces. What does we will see what every single one needs. Oh, we don't have the stored tokens thing? Really? Oh, there it is. Found it. We do have it. Oh, it's not public. There's this pub itself. Wonder if that's bang, bang. Oh, we don't have Sared. Is that? Let's see what else is. Normal. Right, we don't. Good on me. Good job. I open here, but right. 5, that's what we need. What is it? What else? Pub Super, I guess? It's public in the super thing. I think this is part of crew. Add crew. Oh. Yeah. I feel like this have absurd. Yep. Where's Chrono? Dash F. Right. Our project is already getting a little bigger. That's fine. All good. Up, 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 up. Today might be a little bit of a shorter stream because, again, I don't know how much more of this I can actually take, you know? Hype shit. But I'm okay with, like, getting the short. I was on the wrong. Now, that's really awesome. Oh my god, maybe I didn't. Yeah, I'm a G. I'm just a GOAT. Maybe I am the GOAT. Oh my god, I am the GOAT. Never mind. I'm the GOAT. Dapping myself up. I deserved it. Irrelevant, but I was playing Overwatch yesterday and I got some funny clips on Flying Grind. And I clipped them, obviously. I can actually show them. That files. On the raw short. Actually, I don't need. I can just go along. But anyways. Oh. Alright, let's get the point, babe. Need to pause this. Maybe. Like, you can only hear, like, mic audio. What happened? Oh my god. I was just running it down. I tried to bash into the A, but they pressed shit. Oh my god. I realized it was good. Yo, soldier, don't turn around, man. Look out. Fire strikes nothing. Aura. Watch this drive, though. And Via, you gotta see this. Here I go. Here I go, indeed. Bang. Bang. Boom. Like, I might be the GOAT. No. What the fuck? Ain't no way I'm playing against triple salvage, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, they're I don't think I had a bounty anyway because I had 2 deaths that round. Because their soldier took salvage slugs. Their entire team has salvage slugs. They're not entire team, but like 3 out of 4 people with guns have salvage slugs. 50% increased damage to barriers. Why did they buff it? I mean, I guess they buffed it for the deployables part of things, but like additional 20% to deployables. Why does it have to kill? I guess Sigma with his double shields, and I guess it makes sense, but it screws over Reinhardt. And I like Reinhardt, so I'm gonna be upset about it. And so did their Mei. And their like their Wuyong and their Mei have salvage slugs, bro. Anyways, I'm flying to the. I'm so angry. Bang. Big fire strike. Big fire strike part 2. Just get better. Yeah, I just decided I'm not gonna be shielding. I see the Mercy. I'm like, I'm coming for you, bro. Bang. The Mercy. I am better. Look at that. Tell me I'm not better. Boom, boom, boom. This is why we play. This is probably what I'm gonna be streaming on Overwatch for the rest of my life. Thought I had that. Why can't I swing at him, man? What? Okay, I got rezzed here and I shattered nothing. Boom. Okay, I'm actually. They're all dead. It was aura. Everything I do is delayed. Flies into the wall. Perfect. Oh my. I'm gonna die to that soldier here. Cringe. Again, I can't. Fuck, man. What? He has salvage slugs, this fucking guy. Your aura clip? Or I'll take a look at it after I stop ego. The soldier. Soldier's gonna get rezzed, because why wouldn't he? Balanced ability, by the way. I get the kill, but Mercy presses E. Go back. I'm joking, it's fine. But anyways, I pin him again, baby! Bang! Back to... He got rezzed only to get pinned by me again. Bang. Boom, boom. Alright, where was that? What is it? Alright, when... Start digging. I like pinning people to the wall. Oh my god. Just all the fun. Just get the fuck out of here. Oh!
Oh, magic.
Oh. Holy shit. That's so good. You are so good.
I am light.
You might be light. Becoming Light's moderator gives you like his powers. Oh, Doom Diff. Oh, never mind. Oh, I think you ate that nade. You definitely ate that nade. Unless she has no nade. I might be. Oh, no way. Oh, you are so good. You are get via'd.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
There ain't no way.
I hit the echo! I hit it!
Holy crap. Nah, you're him, them, and her at the same time. That is insane. Wait, I have a funny Mercy clip. Hold on. No, it's not on it is on this map, I believe. Oh, spoiled it. Hopefully you didn't see it. You didn't see anything, Via. Just pretend you didn't see that. Look, I see the Mercy. I'm like, oh, she's flying around. Oh, annoying little moth. Ah, she thinks she's so safe. Look, she's in the skybox. Psych! Bam! Gone. Skybox, baby. That's how you do it. I have Wang here as well. Held prisoner. Oh shit. Pinned to the Mei, but their name is crazy. Malevolence. My Cass's name, I think, is even more crazy. How do you do it? You want to play Doom now? Go for it. Like, what? Why? What is this? Also, King Von on the enemy, by the way. Do it. Oh, got aura. They got aura. I pin nothing. Aura. One last clip. Okay, I'll look at it after this. I'm gonna shatter her. Thoughts? Maybe not. Oh, I lied out. I lied. I didn't shatter the main. The reason you can't hear the game audio, by the way, is because it's in a different audio clip. Right, because when I edit the shorts, it's turn things down and whatnot. What did I do in this clip? Fire strike. Oh yeah, I remember. I C9'd them here. Because the hazard's like, okay, my Mei is going to touch, so I'm gonna go into the back line. Or maybe he's stupid, and the Mei didn't get the touch because I shattered her, boom. And they don't touch. I C9 them! I shattered the Mei! Absolute sin. I'm just better. Big brain. Alright, let me look at V. Oh, Rhine? Flying! Oh my god, the real flying Rhine. Oh wait, you hit that fire strike. Oh no, you don't. You just from the top rope. Yes, please.
Here, that's right.
From the top rope, but like get DDoS, idiot. GG's. It's Sombra. Fortunate. Alright, back to the boring code. Yeah, like, yeah, I like the scream. I would have done the same. I'd be like, nah. Oh hell no, bro. That was messed up. That was messed up. All right, I kind of want to play Overwatch now, but I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna do this. Er, so Overwatch. Yeah, I gotta lock in. I gotta do this because. I mean, type shit, but also like maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we take a break from programming and we do an Overwatch stream. Yeah. We do Stadium. I'm gonna do Flying Rhine Stadium all day, day, type shit. Get tag in as well. Rhine. Yeah. Bro, I'm the Rhine goat. Did you not see that pin? Let me run it back for you. Let's run it back. Look at her. Since season 2 of it. I haven't played a lot of it either, but look, she's like, oh crap. Oh no. Gotta teach me the other characters? I got you. I'm the builder. I'm really good at like min-maxing that shit. Except for Vendetta, I have no idea how to build Vendetta. Gonna play Juno, Mercy? No, those are easy. Juno, you just go mostly ability power. You can go weapon power. And you can do whatever you want. Honestly, who cares? It's Stadium. We're here to have a good time. I'm playing this. The flying item. It's $10,000. $10,000 to do this stupid shit, which is funny because like got her. Fun, but also it's kind of a worthless item. I could have had Gloom Gauntlet. Grace will give you her build. Yeah, isn't Grace like the goat of W? I mean, Mercy just like go for the movement powers and you go for attack speed, I think. Or there's a Mercy ability power build. I don't know how viable that is, but so beautiful, man. Like look at the Mercy. Like POV, you are this Mercy. What do you do? How do you feel? Are you shit in the bed? You're probably screaming. Are you uninstalling after that happens to you? I mean, I'd cry. Let me take a screenshot of this and make at great. Garce. All right. Let's lock back in. Lock in. Man. Got this. Nah, I'm locking in. Got this. Mod.rs type shit. Not me tagging Grace. My favorite Mercy mate. And this the cherry is. I don't know who I'm sending. Send this to your favorite Mercy mate. Gonna install Overwatch? You don't have it installed? What? Gotta go to the gym first? Wait. You should start the download, go to the gym, come back, it's downloaded, start playing. Yeah, type shit. Update. Update. Oh, like is there a mid-season pack? Mid-season? Oh wait, new season. Never leave my PC open. Oh yeah, drives ended. I'm not as Overwatch build as I once was. I'm not like the old days. Anyways, locking in. This function can't have a self parameter, so we're just gonna call load token. And it's gonna take access token. What's access token? Oh wait, no, never mind. It's gonna take nothing. Hold on. Oh, it will take access token. Alright, I am correct. I am the download speed is like 500 to 900. The only good thing about Australia, I'd say there's a couple of other good things about Australia, but yeah. What's the type of access? Is it? I think it's just a string. Load tokens will take. Where's load token? Itself does it? Oh, it takes nothing. I live here, not you. Yeah. You know what? Expand tilde is all that I need. Expand tilde. I need to get this function. Also, I'm not a bum. I am, by definition, I am not a bum. I shit. A bum. Alright, my bad. I'm gonna. My fault, gang. Bang. Third JSON. I think I need to add this. Third JSON. I was. You're peer pressuring me into the hate, and it's. Oh, my music. Gonna fix up this. FS is not imported. We can import that. That is a-okay. W. Store tokens is not imported. We can import that. W. There's still 29 arrows. We're getting closer. Store tokens. Yeah, okay. It doesn't need this. Why does it take a reference to self? Where's the self from? Oh. It doesn't need it. How long is this gonna take you, Go? I mean, probably like 20 minutes. But I also have to poop, so probably like, looks like more like 30 minutes. The good thing about this is, like, this code is stuff I've already written, or maybe use the help of AI to make some of the boring stuff for me. But I already have the code. Take me to complete it entirely. Oh boy. Maybe like, I could probably finish it by Sunday if I stream every single day and work on it in the background in my free time. It won't look pretty, but it's probably gonna be usable. It'll reach a usable state in like a few days. And by usable state, I can probably just make it without a... Alright, I'm gonna go poop. Something I'm gonna do. And do pull-ups. Ulster check, chat. And Mr. Stream is gone. I was pooping. Hello, I returned. I'm back. Relax. The bum is back. Let's take my pills. Or my vitamins. Or their supplements. I don't know what they're for, honestly. They just have a bunch of good stuff. I just be taking it. So we can comment. What is this? Refresh token. I mean, I have to think how often we're only posting to get a new token and to refresh a token. So realistically, we don't have to store the web client for long, right? Also, by the way, we like reached over 60 followers, 260 followers like a few days ago on Twitch. Bonkers. Really cool. Thanks, guys. You guys are awesome. And we like reached over 250 subscribers on YouTube. Pretty nice. I'm gonna unfollow. Alright, GG's. It's so over. Rage bait. Nah. I know this is big. No, you did not succeed. I'm playing along. Relax. I'm not getting rage baited, guys. Guys, come on. It's all a joke. Come on, guys. Bum. Alright, so refreshing the token, we're going to pass the client as a request client. Bang. We need also to pass the client ID. Where are they stored? They're off. Okay, client underscore ID stored in our. I believe they're in our models.rs and like here. We just pass the auth config. Auth underscore C. Auth. Bang. Instead of self here, let's see. Watch this drive. Self. Bang. It's private. I guess I can make it public. Is this only public in the super? So can do that. Honestly, no. Fuck that. Let me make a getter. I'd rather have a getter for these two. Or all three of them. Fuck it. Bang. Bang. Oh. What if I pass a reference here and just here? Here we have the client, so we just remove this part. Bro, this soundtrack goes insane now. And method name JSON for all through. there. Alright, I feel like this is part of the cargo Tomo here. Yep, give me that shit. Bang, cargo Tomo right here. We have Reku. Nice. Alright, boss to chick. Other instance of, I mean, there's 25 eras here, so obviously. So load tokens. Your token is private. On that one. I kind of don't care too much about this. Do I care? God, do I really care about this? You know what? Nah. Frick that. It's fine. We can clean this up later. Client ID. Bang. Undo what we did here. Consider borrowing here. This. Like, make it a double wrap. Don't regret it. It doesn't really matter. This is just like micro optimization that ultimately this isn't being called like for code that would be normally used 1,000 times a second. This matters. This is being used once every time you run it at most. Even if it's the slowest thing in existence, it is not. Doesn't matter. Also, holy soundtrack. It was insane. So I can't see any. My glasses. Urge. Response.json. Are we sure? Why this? Huh? Really? I'm sure I just. Did I do it in the wrong thing? Or did I... No, it's right there. Well, it's okay, I guess. Async HTTP. Is that not a thing anymore? Oh no. Unless there's a feature I'm missing here. Oh. Oh wait. Here. Alright, I have idea. This is the old version, it's fine. Yeah, this still exists. That's fine. Wait. This compiles? There's no way. Yeah, I thought so. There's no way this compiles. At least unresolved import. Really? I mean, I guess I'll use as well. Amy is the same. GG, bro, I'm gonna get ready for the gym. Alright. Gonna do it later. Alright. Good luck with the gym, Via. Get those gains type shit. Whatever. Or I don't know what people do at this point. I just be saying stuff. See ya. Thanks for hanging out. Honestly, nah. Fuck that. What if I... Yeah. A bum. Alright, there you go. Is this even a thing? Remove all unused import. What is this? I feel like daytime is... Huh? No, it's not. Can't have a self-rec. Okay. Have access token or token. Refresh the token. Refresh token. Okay. Push token. Oh, it also takes a client. I don't know. I mean, technically speaking, I can define this. I only need, make a new client every time I need to authenticate, because the rest of the connections are GRP, right? Or like, so what does it take? Refresh token. It takes client and auth config as well. So we will take client, auth, and big. Oh. Oh, honestly, wait. Oh yeah. This is the call that needs. Yeah. This is gonna value auth can go take it, grab auth, big, bang. Assign, but no way. Oh, we don't need to give it then. Okay, type shit. Let. Oh, it's in a different scope. Yeah, it's either this or that. Actually. If it expires... No, it's still valid. We just earn it. Yeah. I'm gonna perform the auth flow with... Copy the... Oh, never mind. What? It? Okay, I'm gonna debug this. This loads the token, pushes it. This flow. The full flow here. It's an authorization URL. After I open it in my browser, I get an authorization code. The authorization code, and with it, I store a token. I mean, I can just bang. Yeah. Type shit. This needs to take an auth client initially. Very least. Does the model say about? Oh no, right. Nothing loads it, so I guess I can make it. It creates it creates the auth client. Uses it, stores the token, and then we can use it with gRPC. Okay, that makes sense. Like the way it's gonna work, the function is gonna like make auth client, right? We don't need it anywhere else. It just uses it. Get token, and once that, then it just like goes to store it, file, One's that, oh good. Or it can even store it in file. And then like also pass it to as that makes sense, right? That makes sense. After pass the gRPC client, our normal flow happens, so we technically don't need this anymore. So here, gRPC stuff is like getting the chat messages and whatnot. So here for getting the chat messages, auth client, boom. That makes sense. So we just constructed within this here. Yeah. Let OAuth client equals OAuth what's it called? Let me see what basic client. Hey, what do I make with it? Client ID, okay. So here we're gonna take an auth config. Auth big line ID OAuth big secret. Really? I feel like I'm missing steps. So. Oh. To use of undeclared type client ID. Ang. Why? The comma. Is there no like early client secret? Yeah, there you go. What else? Takes one argument before we're supplied. Might be a this might be like a new API diff. Hold on. Let me look it up on docs.rs. Slash OAuth. I think that's what it's called. Wait. Oh, I'm pressing all the wrong buttons. OAuth 2. My bad. Dang. Let me bring browser tab together. Yep. Let's look at the example real quick. Makes it Yeah, but where is... Structs? Yeah, how do I use this? Sections to... Client. I mean, we can search. Client. Set client secret. Alright, I see. It has changed to set. I pressed HP. That's not what I wanted. So here takes only one thing. Boom. I'm gonna comment this out. Frick this. Take this line. Yep. There we go. Uncomment this. Client ID new OAuth config dot client ID. Bang. Why is there... There's another one. And then in here we can set the redirect URI. Put under here. Dot set client search. The client secret is I assume undeclared type, so I assume we have to import this. Yo, auth URL. So let's set auth URI, set auth URI. Yeah, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. Dot set for auth URI, boom. I assume this here. Alright, next thing up, we import this. I assume a question mark. Of course, there's nothing else. Client ID, auth URI, client secret, and a token URL. And there's a token URL, right? That token URI. Alright, last bit. This bit dot set token URI. Bang. Wait. I can clean this up later. Clean up deaths. Oh. Doesn't really matter though. Bang. Oh, it takes an auth. Less errors here, right? Access token is just never used. Takes a reference. That if it's immutable. We'll look back to this. Come back here. This is infuriating. It's my least favorite part of developing anything that relies on external APIs, the authentication. And granted, this was already like made a really easy for because of this. Like, I'm using a crate, a ready library. Someone already went through more pain, and it's still painful. God, man. So we have all that. Generates the URL. Auth client, exchange code, set the auth client. So the basic client, right? What's this called? Request. Oh, this is part of the basic. On a base. Here. There's nothing in the fuck. Should I look into like the changelog 5.0 migration guide or something? Yeah, I could do. Where's the source? If I go. Let me look up the source for this library real quick. Auth us. That one? John crates. Yeah, it is. It is that one. The latest release. Breaking changes. Replace token response with type. Okay. Implement future. Bump HTTP. Aw. Request async is not even in this change. Let me look at the releases like this. Damn. I'm not gonna be able to find out. Change summary of changes to 4.4. What version were we on in our other thing? 4.4. I assume there are changes that happen in. Oh. Yeah, past two. Yeah, there are no. So let's look through every breaking changes. It replaces token response generic with associated type. Does it just fail to say what they changed here? Thanks. Add async h. Hey, this might be what we're trying to do here. Like, I want to know. Alright, let's switch to version 0.4. Right? Which is 3 years old at this point. If we search up request, the request async. Request underscore, yeah. Request underscore async. It's an encode token. Or wait, what else is there? It's in refresh token request. Which part of the code is this? Exchange code. I think it's in here. So let's look in code token request in the latest version. Code token request. Take that. Go to the latest version of this. Bang. Where are the functions here, bro? Methods. Add X. It's right here. Why? What was it? It takes HTTP client. Takes an. It's. Yeah, async HTTP client. So I don't have an async. Oh. This is part of the request. Bang. Async. I'm gonna look this up. Request async HTTP. So that's probably what broke here, right? Guess it's another library. Async underscore HTTP client. No results. But I assume if I go back to, I think it was version 11, right? Was it? Yeah, 0.11. What is there? Oh, docs failed a bit. Right here. 2021. Async HTTP client. Yo? It's right here, chat. I use this code. Oh. It's part of OAuth 2 West. So Yo, my music is sync. Let's not go here. Blow up our entire thing. Let's not here. No, not here. Up. Here. There are no requests. Async. Example asynchronous. Oh. So I guess we have to build it ourselves now? That's fine. I'm just gonna yoink this. I guess that's okay. It's completely fine. Right here. Okay. And we borrow it. Right, that's what, yeah. Bum bum. Bum. Right. Okay, how's my RAM doing? Oh, we're fine. So fine. System. I have 2 Rust analyzers running. Let's kill one of them, shall we? Yeah. Is there enough? I want to start my just restarting my LS quick. It was using a scary amount of RAM. Expected an FN. Yeah, let's kill that. Alright, let me go to mod.ru. I might have broken my thing, but that's fine. You know what? I'll restart my next whatever. HTTP code rs ss off odd. All right, minor hiccup, but that's fine. Expected an FN found request client. Query line. Change code. Yeah, am I doing something differently? What are we on about? Unwrapping the token will result in this. Oh, my bad. I think this is standard token. Let's go to standard token response. Standard token response. Extra fields. So how do I gain access to access? Yeah. Excuse me, what the actual fuck? I am. This is a standard token response. As a basic token. Yeah. So in here is either secret. What does this have? Set access token, set access type, set expires and fresh token. It has set. Where is, and it has a bunch of private fields. How do I? Yeah, right here. Token response. Redirect policy none. That doesn't matter. What matters is here. Either produce a token or a request token. So, oh fuck. So here's a token. This could be a token. What do I have access to? Extra fields. It doesn't have that many methods, okay? The standard token response. It has an access token. So I have to unwrap the access token from it. Like the standard token response will. But what if I do this? Oh. Problem is not that. The problem is the. What? This is literally what it says to do in the example. That data weight. There's no way the example is wrong. No way. Yes, way there's wrong, but that's Yeah. What? Okay. No method JSON. Oh. Sure. Thank you, Rust. Thank you, Cargo. I go. Bang. Anything else that I can help? Or... Huh. This is what I like about Rust. Or like a lot of the times. Shit like this. Come on. I don't know what version of Quest this needs. Let me look at what it uses. Do I even need this here? But this is magic. Cloth to request, baby. Alright. It's overcomplicating things for no reason. Let's see what else. Consider cloning if the value. That's fine. We can. I don't care. Next. Method not found. Their flag for the request. Their JSON. There's no JSON. Huh. Do I even need? Wait, Toke. Where does this get? It's like I think I can do without the JSON bit. Like parse it with said JSON myself. Because otherwise I'd be having two versions of the same library just for this little line, which like it's a little overkill. Then again, don't care, but also kinda care. I feel like it could be fun to figure this out. So this is a response. Response dot bytes. So we have to parse the response with cert, right? Yeah. Absolutely. Alright, so that's for later. What else can I do here? Unused variable access token, that's fine. Error. Only one error here? Where? On bacon. I don't have bacon rust up. Bacon a thing. How do I install bacon? background. Some features are disabled by default. That's fine. Hopefully this doesn't delete my stream distance. I'm always wary of like downloading any stream because I mean even if I even if I wanted to switch to Overwatch right now I can't because I have to download the 1 trillion gigabyte update. My internet wouldn't like. And my CPU is also like probably loading right now, as you can tell by this. I'm sure it's okay. Still compiling the last bit, which is the bacon binary. There's just one error. Alright. That's the only error that we need to fix. A bunch of unused imports and variables. That's fine. If you guys are wondering what I'm referring to, this is bacon. Bacon is very cool. Oh, what? W frame. Yeah. It's just like you can have in the background and see what the errors are. So have it over. I have them on it. I think that's enough for today. I made some decent progress on the OAuth. Figured out what the issue was with. Got past one of the errors. I think this is a good note to end on. We're approaching also like a 3-hour mark. I want to eat some more food without worrying about stuff. Let's see. Game developers learning Unreal Engine. I don't like Unreal. Let's find somebody to actually let's raid Nathan. Playing Overwatch, but Nathan. Subscribe to earn drops. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Subscribe to the YouTube and all that good stuff. See you guys tomorrow. Use some Overwatch. Bye.